Number 7. 2 plumbing companies charge money for each hour of work plus a one-time fee. A plus charges according to this table. So it's got the time in hours and the cost in dollars. Then we've got a graph for quality plumbing charges. Okay, you see a y-intercept and you've got a slope. So either way, these questions on the bottom are asking what is the slope and what is the y-intercept. You could have answered this as an equation, okay, but more specifically, they just want to know what is your m, what is your b, okay? So I think the easiest one is the graph, okay? You see your y-intercept right there, it's 150. So I'm going to say down here, okay, one-time fee, 150. Then if I look at my slope, what am I going up? I'm going to write some points on here, okay, make my triangles. I'm going up 50 over 1. So then that means my charge is $50 per hour. Okay, that one to me was easier. Then, using your table, remember change in y over change in x. You can think of each of these as a point. Okay, so if that's true, and I just want to find the difference between my y values and the difference between my x values. So I want to think, okay, well, what's 320 minus 140? 0, borrow, 12, 80, subtract, 180, okay? So I've got 180 is the difference in the cost of dollars from 1 to 4 hours. And then if I subtract 4 minus 1, that's 3 hours. So to find the change in y over the change in x, it would be 180 over 3, which is the same as 60. So that is my fee, $60 per hour. Okay, so I'm going to say charge $60 per hour. Now, I don't have a value for 0, right, to know my initial, but I can work backwards by doing 140 minus that 60. 140 minus 60 is 80. So my one-time fee would be $80. Okay. All right, then at the bottom. Can A+ Plumbing and Quality Plumbing ever charge the same amount at the same time? Explain and show your reasoning. Okay. To do this, I have to set my equations equal. So now is when it's helpful if you wrote equations. But I know they need to be like y equals mx plus b. So I've got, for A+, we've got $60 per hour. So 60x plus my one-time fee of 80. My other one is $50 per hour plus a 150 initial fee. They're both equal to y, so now I can just do 60x plus 80 is equal to 50x plus 150. Draw my line. I'm going to take away my 50x from both sides. I've got 10x plus 80 is equal to 150. Take away my 80. 10x is equal to 70. Alright, so then if I divide that, right, both sides by 10, x equals 7 weeks. Oop, no, hours. Come on now, Miss Grew. So after 7 hours, they will charge the same exact for a service. So yes, they will have the same amount at some point. This would be the work you need to show.